Looking for a way to elevate your skincare routine? A Nano Ionic Facial Steamer is your go-to tool for achieving hydrated, glowing, and deeply cleansed skin without stepping foot in a spa. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best Nano Ionic Facial Steamers that will take your skincare to the next level. Let's get started. Number 5. YourMate Facial Steamer. Kicking off our list is the YourMate Facial Steamer, an ideal choice for anyone looking for a compact, yet powerful steamer. This device utilizes Nano Ionic technology to provide deep hydration, ensuring your skin feels refreshed and revitalized after every session. Its adjustable nozzle allows you to target specific areas, whether you're looking to focus on your T-zone, nose, or forehead. The steam helps unclog pores, making it easier to remove blackheads and reduce breakouts. With a 15-minute runtime of continuous mist, it's perfect for a quick and relaxing facial experience. The added aromatherapy function lets you diffuse your favorite essential oils, enhancing the treatment with a calming and therapeutic touch. The YourMate Facial Steamer is lightweight, easy to use, and highly portable, making it a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. Number 4. Amconsure Nano Ionic Facial Steamer. Next up is the Amconsure Nano Ionic Facial Steamer, a luxurious, multifunctional tool that takes skincare to the next level. With its advanced Nano Ionic steam technology, this steamer penetrates deeply into your pores, removing dirt, oil, and makeup residue to give your face a deep cleanse. It also promotes better blood circulation, leaving your skin feeling energized and radiant. In addition, the soothing mist helps with sinus relief, making it a versatile option for wellness and skincare alike. The Amconsure steamer heats up in just 30 seconds, delivering a comforting mist that lasts for 10–15 minutes, offering a quick but effective facial treatment. To enhance your skincare routine, it comes with a stainless steel blackhead extractor kit, which helps eliminate impurities and refine your skin. Number 3. EZBASICS Ionic Facial Steamer. The EZBASICS Ionic Facial Steamer claims our third spot with its reliable and consistent performance. Within just 30 seconds, this steamer releases a fine mist that penetrates deeply into the skin, removing dirt, oil, and makeup, while offering hydration. Thanks to its innovative ionic technology, it ensures that the steam reaches 10 times deeper into your skin than traditional steamers. This makes it highly effective at cleansing and preparing your skin for the next steps in your skincare routine. Additionally, the EZBASICS steamer comes with a customizable nozzle that lets you direct the mist to specific areas, ensuring you target trouble spots or focus on overall hydration. It also has an aromatherapy feature, so you can add your favorite essential oils for a relaxing and soothing facial experience. With a runtime of up to 15 minutes, this steamer ensures that you get the most out of each session, providing a deep cleanse and refreshing mist. Number 2. Colorfarm Nano Ionic Facial Steamer. Coming in second is the Colorfarm Nano Ionic Facial Steamer, a top contender for those looking for a steamer that works wonders on all skin types, including sensitive skin. It utilizes advanced nano-ionic technology to break down water molecules into ultra-fine particles, which are easily absorbed by your skin to promote hydration and cleanse pores. The ultra-fine mist penetrates deeply, making your skincare products more effective, with absorption enhanced by up to 20 times. This steamer operates at a comfortable temperature of 104, which provides a soothing and gentle experience. With a 15-minute runtime, it's ideal for a relaxing facial or prepping your skin for better absorption of serums and moisturizers. The Colorfarm steamer also comes with a 4-piece skincare kit, including tools to help with extractions and blackhead removal, making it a thoughtful and complete skincare device. Number 1. NanoSteamer 3-in-1 Nano Ionic Facial Steamer. At the top of our list is the NanoSteamer 3-in-1 Nano Ionic Facial Steamer from Pure Daily Care. This all-in-one device combines facial steaming, humidifying, and towel warming, providing an incredibly versatile and luxurious skincare experience. The NanoSteamer uses advanced nano-ionic technology to penetrate 10 times deeper into the skin, delivering a more thorough cleanse and hydration compared to traditional steamers. Its 200 milliliters water tank offers up to 30 minutes of continuous steam, making it one of the longest-running steamers available. Whether you're using it for a facial treatment, sinus relief, or simply to create a spa-like atmosphere at home, the NanoSteamer has you covered. Additionally, the device comes with a 5-piece stainless steel skin skin kit, allowing you to remove blackheads and blemishes with ease after your facial. The sleek design, quiet operation, and easy-to-use controls make it a perfect addition to any skincare routine. If you're looking for a premium, all-in-one steamer that offers a spa-like experience, the NanoSteamer 3-in-1 is a must-have for anyone serious about their skincare. And that's a wrap on our top 5 best Nano Ionic Facial Steamers. Whether you need a quick skin refresh, deep cleansing, or sinus relief, these steamers have you covered. Elevate your skincare routine with one of these amazing devices. Check the links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more comparisons. See you next time!